Hello, this is Leonilson Lopes. This is my final project presentation, a 4-bit microprocessor. So I will start the circuit and we can see it working and the information being shown in the ASCII display. I will give a quick overview of each part. Here is the binary counter, which sends a sign to this PROM code. This PROM code sends 4 bits to the instruction decoder, and the other 4 bits to this MUX, then to the register file, then to the ALU, and then build the information in the ASCII display. So each of this part is made of sub-circuits. You can see here the MUX, a 2-1 MUX, a 4-1 MUX, the register file, which contains 4-bit registers, which we can see here, the detail, and this 4-bit register, we also have a 1-bit register, which we can see the detail here. We also have the ALU, which has many other parts, such as the bitwise OR, AND, and XOR, a 4-1 MUX, a 4-bit register, and this 4-bit add sub. So this is the detail of each bitwise. And here the detail of the 4-bit add sub, in which we can see a 1-bit full adder. Here we have the detail. And this 1-bit full adder has a carryout. So back to the main. We can see the circuit working and the information being shown in the ASCII display. And this is the end of my presentation.